Pamela from Jersey Village has a repipe question.
She's checked her crystal ball.
Yes.
That's what she said in her letter. She checked her crystal ball.
Whatever it takes.
It says repipe ahead.
Oh, okay.
Pamela writes, I see a whole house repipe in my future, or at least the future of my 39-year-old home, she says. PEX seems an excellent choice, and I've seen varying opinions on the connection fittings and need to know which to choose between expansion fittings and crimp fittings. Which is the current standard, Tom?
It's not a current standard. Every PEX product has its own connection, the way that's designed.
Right.
Uponor is a product I use. Let's just go to the product I would recommend. The Uponor products are the product I use. They have their own special tool. They have their own special connections. Their connections and their tools don't always work on other particular products either. So if you're going to repipe, then the PEX is great. PEX is a very broad term for a lot of different products. Uponor products, I think, are the most widely used and respected by the plumbing industry. We even use it in our training facility at HCC because it's the best pipe, and that's what plumbers want to work with. And they have their own connections, but there's not a standard by any means. Now, if you don't want to repipe and you don't have to, there's always the E-pipe system, the Ace Duraflow system with Texas Drain Technologies. You don't have to do anything. They just clean up the pipes and line them with an epoxy, and you're good to go. So you might want to look at that route too before you make a total decision off a crystal ball or the 8-ball when you say, yes, repipe. Repipe. Don't do that. Remember that one?
I do.
Okay.
I do. Or maybe you get your Ouija board out.
Yes.
No.
Not the Ouija board. But the 8-ball works.
The thing is about that repiping versus restoring thing is like, I think what's happened is repiping has become so advertised that people just think, oh, must repipe. And the fact is,
you just see a lot of it.
You don't really, I mean, you forget the pipes can be restored.
Yeah, I wouldn't repipe unless there was just a total gutting of the house and we're remodeling the whole thing.
Yeah.
And we're adding more fixtures and we're adding some different bathrooms. But if it's just restoring the pipes, I would just restore them. I would not repipe a house.
All right. You got a question? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. You can check out our other videos over here. And of course, we'd love it if you would subscribe to our channel.